Despite confirming its first case of H1N1 flu today, Health Minister Khaw Boon Wan said Singapore will remain on yellow alert and there's no cause for alarm unless the virus gets deadlier. Razor TV finds out more.
Singapore has had its first confirmed H1N1 case today. She's a female SMU student who flew in from New York yesterday at 6:30 a.m. Health Minister Khaw Boon Wan released further information on the case and how the government is tackling the situation.
We know that sooner or later we will have our first case, and now we do. I suppose we have been lucky. We have now the full of 5 weeks since the alert to prepare ourselves as well as Singaporeans for this eventuality, so that there really should be no cause for alarm. But in Asia, all the control measures was really trying to slow down the pace of this wildfire scenario, and hopefully we can achieve a slow burn scenario. You know, to burn slowly. And it will burn slowly if we are alert in detecting, isolating, contact tracing very aggressively, hunting down every possible close contacts and quarantine them so that we can have a slow burn. But slow burn strategy is not just on the part of the government, which I think we play an important role, but on the part of the patients too. So we really need cooperation, like in this instance, this student of SMU, in letting us know as soon as you feel unwell, particularly if you have been to the infected areas.
Mr Khaw also said that Singapore will remain on yellow alert.
We will only raise it if the assumption that this virus remains mild. Of course, if empirical evidence suggests that, let's say next week, the virus has mutated and is causing great havoc in other countries and causing much higher fatality rate, then of course it's a different ballgame. We have to review our alert system.
Also, he said there won't be any new travel advisories for Singaporeans visiting places with a high rate of infection. Instead, he advised common sense and to think about the inconvenience when they return to Singapore and are quarantined.
Mr Khaw also said that the victim is currently quarantined in hospital and in stable condition. And for more on what Mr Khaw said, watch News Plus.